Python functions are essential for creating clean, maintainable code. They help organize scripts, making them more readable and efficient. By adhering to clean coding practices, developers can enhance their skills, ensuring their software remains robust and adaptable over time. Clean code is essential for efficient software development. It minimizes errors, enhances readability, and ensures maintainability. By adhering to clean coding principles, developers can produce robust, scalable software that is easy to understand and modify, ultimately saving time and resources. Developers spend 70 to 80% of their time reading code. Clean code reduces cognitive load, enhancing clarity and understanding. Well-structured code communicates intent, simplifying debugging and maintenance. It scales seamlessly, fostering efficient team collaboration. Conversely, messy code breeds bugs, wastes development hours, and creates team friction, compounding over time. A developer hastily writes a 30-minute data processing script without structure. Months later, a bug emerges, requiring 4 hours to fix due to tangled code. This leads to missed deadlines, client dissatisfaction, and team burnout. Clean code principles, though initially time-consuming, prevent such crises and enhance productivity. Functions are the core of clean code. They should adhere to the single responsibility principle, ensuring each function performs one task effectively. Keep functions concise, ideally under 20 lines, with descriptive, action-oriented names. Limit parameters to 3 or fewer to maintain simplicity and predictability, avoiding side effects and Boolean flags. A clean function adheres to the single responsibility principle, performing one task effectively. Keep functions concise, ideally under 20 lines, and use descriptive, action-oriented names. Limit parameters to 3 or fewer to reduce complexity. Ensure predictable behavior by avoiding side effects and Boolean flags that alter function behavior. Adhering to PEP 8, use snake_case for function names, ensuring clarity and consistency. Start names with action verbs like calculate or fetch to convey purpose. Maintain line lengths under 79 characters for readability. For instance, calculate average score clearly indicates its function, handles edge cases, and maintains a simple logic flow. Refactoring a messy function involves breaking down a monolithic function into smaller, focused functions. Originally, do everything handled multiple tasks, making it hard to test and debug. By creating functions like fetch data, clean data, and save to database, each with a single responsibility, we achieve modularity, enhancing testability and maintainability. Refactoring messy functions into modular components enhances readability and maintainability. Each function should have a single, clear purpose, making it easier to test and debug. Use meaningful names to convey intent. Adhere to the DRY principle to avoid duplication, limit arguments, and avoid Boolean flags. Aim for self-documenting code to minimize the need for comments. Adopt best practices for function readability. Ensure each function has a single purpose, use meaningful names, and adhere to the don't repeat yourself principle. Limit arguments to avoid complexity, eliminate Boolean flags, and aim for self-documenting code. These strategies enhance clarity, making your code base easier to maintain and understand. Consider the function process x, y, z flag equals true. Its vague name and flag-driven behavior make it confusing. In contrast, calculate tax income is a clean version with a clear name and single responsibility. This highlights the importance of clarity and purpose in function design, ensuring maintainability and ease of understanding. Functions are the building blocks of clean code. A well-named function with a clear purpose reduces the need for comments. Consider a function like calculate factorial. Its name and structure make its purpose and logic self-evident. This approach enhances readability, testability, and maintainability, ensuring code remains efficient and understandable. In writing a clean function to calculate factorial recursively, start with a clear function signature, the name calculate factorial, and a single parameter, and simplify understanding. Handle the base case by returning 1 for n less than or equal to 1. The recursive logic, return n times calculate factorial of n minus 1, is straightforward, ensuring readability and maintainability. Visualizing function calls with a call stack chart highlights the importance of well-designed functions. Each function, like validate underscore input, check underscore format, and process underscore data, has a distinct role, ensuring a clean hierarchy. This separation of concerns simplifies debugging and testing, making the codebase more maintainable and efficient. Flake 8 acts as a code quality guardian, identifying PEP8 violations and potential bugs early. Black ensures consistent code formatting, eliminating style debates. These tools lead to a uniform code base, fewer bugs, and faster code reviews, making onboarding new developers seamless and focusing reviews on logic rather than formatting. Advanced function concepts enhance code quality by promoting predictability and testability. Pure functions, which produce consistent outputs for given inputs without side effects, are crucial. They simplify debugging and ensure thread safety. In contrast, impure functions, like those modifying global state, introduce unpredictability. Emphasizing pure functions leads to cleaner, more maintainable code. Pure functions always return the same output for the same input, without modifying external states or causing side effects like file input-output. This predictability makes them easier to test and debug. For example, add numbers AB is pure, while add to total value is impure due to its side effect on the global variable total. Decorators enhance functions by adding behavior like logging or caching without altering their core logic. For instance, at log execution time can track how long a function takes to execute. Context managers simplify resource management, ensuring resources like files are properly closed, even if errors occur, using the with statement for automatic setup and cleanup. Clean code is essential for maintainable software. Focus on crafting functions with single responsibilities and meaningful names. Use tools like linters and formatters to ensure code quality. Regularly refactor to simplify and enhance clarity. This approach not only benefits current projects, but also aids future development, making code bases easier to understand and modify. Crafting clean functions is essential for maintainable Python code. Adhere to core principles like single responsibility and meaningful names. Utilize modern tools such as linters and formatters to ensure code health. Start by refactoring one function today and experience the clarity that clean code brings to your development process.